If your Safari browser on iOS 26 has built up a lot of history over time, it can start to feel cluttered and less private. Every website you visit gets saved, which can be helpful for revisiting pages, but sometimes you just want a clean slate. Whether you're clearing history for privacy, freeing up space, or fixing small browsing issues, knowing how to delete it properly makes a big difference. The option isn't always where people expect it, especially with updates that slightly change the layout. Once you know the exact path, you can remove your Safari history in just a few taps and keep your browsing experience clean and organized. Try these. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Step 3. Tap Clear History and Website Data. Step 4. Read the prompt explaining what will be removed. Step 5. Tap Clear History and Data to confirm. Step 6. Wait a moment for Safari to remove all history and data